Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I have a different kind of project share today. This is a two-tiered chocolate cake with chocolate ganache buttercream that is ready for pickup. And it's going to mark the celebration of Laronta's graduation on her civil engineering degree. It's gonna be so much fun. As some of you guys may know, I also bake and decorate cakes, and all this fondant is homemade from scratch. Everything is made from scratch, and I just want to show you and highlight the alligator prints right there for the book. And I hope you like my project share today. Have a crafty, wonderful day, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, just click it down there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.